This here is an infrared thermometer used to measure the temperature of objects of different kind. It blasts an IR radiation ray from this hole, and it measures the temperature from 50 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius and shows the reading on this screen in degree Celsius and also in degree Fahrenheit. So basically what happens is that it is a very useful tool for checking the temperature of different car components like engine block, radiator, disc brakes, catalytic converter, and even AC vents. Now, one of the most important thing to understand about an IR thermometer is that the DS ratio. It is the distance to spot ratio, and on this specific device it is written that DS ratio is 12:1. So this means that for every 12 units of distance, the thermometer measures one diameter spot on the surface. In simple words, at 12 inches away, it measures an area of about 1 inch in diameter. At 36 inches or 3 feet away, the spot becomes about 3 inches wide. At 60 inches or 5 feet away, the measurement spot becomes around 5 inches wide. So as you move further away from the object, the spot size grows and the thermometer starts averaging the temperature of a large area. So if you want accurate readings, especially on the small parts, you must stay close enough so that the spot only covers the part you are measuring. So what happens if you measure from too far away? First of all, the spot becomes too large and may include other surfaces that are cooler or hotter. So the reading becomes very less accurate because the thermometer is averaging the big area. So on small targets like a bolt, hose or a spark plug, the reading can be completely wrong if the spot is bigger than the object. So you need to keep this thing as close to the object as possible. So that's how an IR thermometer works. It's fast, safe and accurate as long as you understand the distance to spot ratio and measure from the right distance. Thank you.